Okay, we got the Braun Series 9 Pro here. We're gonna do a quick video unboxing. This is the 9460cc model. It comes in matte black. This is the offering here in the US. Purchased through Amazon. I believe the price is $319 plus tax. This is the 5-in-1 Smart Care Center, so it's gonna have the clean and renew system. We'll go over it really quick. Let's look at the outside of the box a little bit here. So the 5-in-1 Care System Smart Programs cleans hygienically, lubricates, charges, and dries actively all in the same time. Okay, we got a 4+1 head with Pro Lift trimmer. So we have two OptiFoil for a closer shave. Those are two in the outside. We got the Pro Lift trimmer for 3 to 7 day beards. And that is the one with the titanium coating. We got direct and cut trimmer for tricky hairs, any hair that might be growing from one side to the other, depending on your beard. So we got a skin guard for skin comfort. That is a small, long, blade-looking piece of metal here. Okay, claims to have sonic technology to glide directly. We have a precision switch to lock the head. We can actually tilt it 10-20 degrees in both sides. A precision trimmer to work on your beard, sideburns, or mustache. Okay, Braun claims to be their best shave ever. The cutting element is 4 cutting elements and 1 skin guard, like we mentioned earlier. They claims to have 40,000 cross-cutting actions per minute. Pro Lift trimmer, sonic gliding technology, auto sense technology, wet and dry. That means that you can use shave cream if you like to. You got 60 minutes of shave time with a full battery, and if you plug it in directly to power, for 5 minutes, you can have a quick charge to take care of 1 cut. We have LED Pro display as well. It comes with a 2-year warranty, 100-day money-back guarantee here in the US. Not sure about other markets. And let's get right into it. Right up at top is the shaver itself. Okay, it comes in this nice leather case. It takes a little bit of a beating. It could actually protect it if you're traveling. I'm not sure if this is just offered through Amazon or everybody gets a leather case, but let's set it off to the side. We have the clean and renew liquid here. We have the 5-in-1 station. Put it off to the side here. What else do we have in here? Okay, power cord. Should have a small comb as well. There you go, small brush comb. Let's put all of this to the side and let's take a look at the actual clean and renew system. It looks like a carry-on from the previous models. So no shaving with a power cord attached. You gotta detach it. And if you're shaving with shaving cream, we have to go ahead and rinse it out first, and then we can put it in there. It says about the same thing over here, and it just tells you to insert it in here. We'll look at that right now. So like I mentioned, this is a carry-on from the previous models that were offered. I have been shaving with Braun shavers for about 10 years, so I'm pretty familiar with them. If you're new to shaving with an electric shaver, it takes about a week to 2 weeks for your beard to get used to it. So if at first you don't get the closest or best shave, just give it a little bit of time and it'll get better. Okay, so we got a power button right here, and that tells the actual clean and renew system to start cleaning once you've inserted the shaver itself. It has 3 indicators here. First one is on the left. It'll actually blink red if the clean and renew liquid is low. The other one is just a solid white dot, just tells you that it's charging and it's actively powered on. We have 3 indicators here in the shape of a droplet. That tells you how much cleaning it needs. 1, 2 to 3, meaning the least cleaning to the most thorough cleaning it has to do. Okay, here in the back, you would push this here and it'll slide open. You would insert the clean and renew system liquid here, and you would push it all the way down until it clicks. It won't do it because it has the guard right here. I don't want to take it off because it could make a mess. Here in the back is where we would connect the power cord itself. Okay, let's set this off to the side. Power cord itself right here. All right, so it looks like they removed the actual cord sticking out through the back. Now it's sticking out to the side. If you have your shaver like me on a corner and the power outlet's right next to it, when you plug it in and it's right here, it might get in the way. Just in certain particular situations, this might play out better for you. I think in this case, it will for me. This would be just inserted right back here and you're good to go. Off to the side. Well, this is just a small brush to clean off your shaver. Let's get on to the shaver itself. Cool. All right. So I'm liking this matte black. It's actually nice. Amazon did not have the silver option available. I always had the silver options, but I went with this matte black because it was the only one available. But it's actually nice. It's not a fingerprint magnet. Maybe just here up at the front where the LED displays it. That's about it. Let's look at the back. We got the precision trimmer. Pretty self-explanatory what to do with it. Trim beard, mustache, and sideburns. You could actually plug it in directly to power. This is how you get the quick charge in 5 minutes. If you're also traveling, you could actually choose to do this as opposed to taking the whole system with you. It'll be a little bit bulky and cumbersome. But if you take it like this, you can actually power it up. If you need an average of more of shaving about over a week. I've taken it for about a week on the previous models and I've been okay. All right. So previously this locking was right here. You would slide it up or down. Now they made this switch here. It's kind of neat. It's actually, it feels a little bit tighter here up in the head, which is good. Now the actual power button, we've got 5 bars, 20% to each bar. It actually indicates the cassette and the actual cleaning feature right there. They'll start blinking when you need to do it. The cassette right here should last you about 18 months is what Braun claims. I usually change them out every 12 months because I have a thicker beard. I have basically 5 o'clock shadow at 10 in the morning. So for me, about 12 months is the ideal interval to switch out to a new. Now over here, we got the same spring loading system, and that gets everything popped up, and the actual shaver moves from side to side here. The pivots, so that actually moves the blades and makes the cut. This cassette looks identical to the Series 9. I wonder if it's cross-compatible. It might be or it might not. I'll do another review putting it through its paces to see if it can actually cut through 7 days of beard, but we'll talk about that in a separate video. For now, I explained already what all of these do right here. You would pop it back in there, just like so, and you're good to go. Like I said, this is an identical twin to the other one. I believe that the changes might be just the cassette and the way it moves. It might have more movement, might move faster. Power button as usual. If you push it for 3 seconds, you can lock it. Yep, that is the case with this one as well. I believe if you push it for 10 seconds, you can reset the cartridge when you change it out after 18 months or whatever interval you choose to. Okay, after that, you would push it again, hold it, and it's actually unlocked. This feature is actually really good if you're gonna be traveling, you're gonna have it inside a bag, maybe not in its protective case, or if you just wanna be sure that it doesn't activate or turn on while it's inside your luggage or anything like that. But other than that, this is pretty much it. The Series 9 Pro latest shaver from Braun. This is their top of the line offering. They do make other models and they would be inferior to the Series 9. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments and I'll try to answer anything that you guys throw at me. Other than that, like I said, I will in a couple of weeks pull out a video with the actual shaver and see how it performs for 7-day beard, particularly on mine because it's rather thick. Also, I'll be doing a comparison with the other previous Series 9 models to see if it's worth to actually spend the extra money on this model or get the additional savings that you would get on a Series 9 that is a previous model to this one. This could be the case for you if your beard is not as thick and maybe this one is not in your budget. However, if you have money burning a hole in your pocket or you just don't care, you might want to go for the top of the line model. That would be up to you. Thank you for watching.